Hey guys, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am here with another kit. I know there's been a couple people waiting. This kit I'm putting out first, and then I'm going to have a second kit, which is going to be a shabby chic banner kit. That will be out in the next couple of days. I've just had a lot going on here, and I've kind of fallen behind, but this one is ready to go. And I have a bunch of really new, amazing things in this kit. This is a vintage Gypsy book kit. So I have made the book base for you, and you're going to get everything you see here, and I'm going to show you. It's tied up with this gorgeous fiber, which has a gold thread through it. So you're going to get a nice big piece of that, and it's good for the tie for your base. So that. And then I will just move all of this off the base for a second. And then this is your book base, and I've used this beautiful fabric. I love it. It's floral, and it's got a gold fleck going through it. There is 4 pages, which is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the back would be 8. But it's all sewn for you. It's just like my ballerina book that I did. But there you can see, isn't it gorgeous, the floral? I love it. And I know some of it's going to end up getting covered up, but it's such a pretty base, and you know, it's beautiful. I love this fabric. And anything can go with this fabric. It has every color you can think of in it. So that is your book base that you're going to get, and also I'm going to include one fabric image, and the fabric images may be different. This is the one that's going with this particular kit, so you can see how pretty that would look on the front of the book. So that's what that, and then on to the luscious trims. So there is a lot of trims and laces, so I'm going to do the laces first and the trims. Then I'll show you all the beautiful sari pieces. So you're going to get a good amount. This is probably 15 inches. And it's pink and green, and it goes really well with the book. It goes really, really well with that. So a nice piece. And this one is vintage, this trim. There's a few vintage trims in here. This trim is also vintage. And it has butterflies on it. Beautiful for making flowers. This gathers so nicely. You could make a beautiful flower for the cover of your book. And by the way, I will have a tutorial for this particular book after you purchase. I'm going to get a tutorial for you guys that buy this book, and then you can see how I make it and how I played with everything, and then you can decide, and I'm doing that with all my kits now. There'll be a tutorial for whoever purchases them. I've added, of course, a lovely section of the beautiful beaded trim that everybody loves. Nice big piece. These are like 10-inch dangles here, and there's other beaded trims in here as well, so there's lots. This is a vintage trim, and this is Alison lace. It's got the cording on top, there you can see. And it's in a beautiful chocolate brown color. You can cut all these flowers out. You'll get 6 black loopy flowers. So there's 6 of those. Gorgeous beaded trim. More beaded trim. More than enough to do a page. I hope you can see that. There we go. It's absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous trim. This super funky trim, I love this. More than enough to do a page or to finish off a pocket in your book. It would look so pretty. There is enough to do 2 pages worth. I'm trying to see which is the front of this one in a chocolate brown. And you can see how gorgeous that would look. Let's open it up. See how cute that is? So cool. Very gypsy. I love it. And then there's a good sized piece of this trim, which I really love. And it's got the fabric covered beads. So there's a nice length of that, which you can do down the side if you like. That would look really pretty on the cover. Down the side here. Look how great that looks. I think that's where I would put it, is down the side. There's a nice big piece of this beautiful black lace, and I thought this might be good for pockets. Really gorgeous black lace. There is also a very large piece, a yard, of my handmade ruffles in the same fabric as the book. So you can add it to the side, you can add it to the bottom, you can put it on the inside, you can do whatever you want, but there is a yard of fabric ruffle that I made in the same fabric for you guys. Now, on to the gorgeous sari pieces, and each kit will have these trims. Now they may be cut slightly different due to the pattern, but basically they're all the same. And here's my kitty cat. That was Boots. She made her appearance. Sorry about that. So here is this piece. I love this. This is like a jade green and gold. So beautiful. And then look at this, guys. Those are real mirrors. Look at that sparkle. And then there's pearls on the bottom, and then these gold rhinestones. There's gold stones here, big sequins, and then of course the mirrors. I love this piece. And that's in, got a navy background. Yeah, I thought that was velvet, but it's not. And it's just gorgeous. So that would look like so beautiful inside this book. I mean, where's the image? Where did the image go? Let me see. Where'd it go? Okay, I put it somewhere. There it is. You know, if you put that on your cover, how breathtaking is that? It's just beautiful. And then I've also included some of my own handmade Gypsy snippet roll. I gave this in my last kits and everybody loved it, so I made another one. So everybody's going to get a nice big chunk of that, and again, it will fit along the side. You can use it for the top of a pocket, like if you put that black down as a pocket, and then you could put that over top if you wanted. That would make a nice pocket. Or you could just cut little bits. You could do anything with it. And then there will be 2 of these beautiful pieces, and these are sequins and wire trim in a jade and gold. There'll be 3 of these beautiful medallions. This is crushed velvet here and behind the medallions, and then it's got a few layers of gold cording and ribbon. But if you take this all apart and unpick it, then you'll have like a big piece of burgundy fabric. There's even a bit of lace there that you can harvest off of this. I mean, I take everything apart, so, but I love this. This looks so good with the book. It's beautiful. And then there's a beautiful piece of gold ribbon here. Sorry, trim, I mean. The pink with the pearls on the bottom. Beautiful seed bead and pearls. There is this gorgeous piece. There's a nice piece of this, which this is block printing. This is hand painted and then hand embroidered, and you can see on the back that it's hand done. But this is hand painted with block prints. So there's a nice big piece of that, and you could make a couple of pockets out of this. There's another big piece with beading and beautiful green and burgundy. Again, it matches beautifully with the book. And then there is this piece. More sparkly sparkly, and then this beautiful applique with the silk. And it's like a rusty burgundy color. I think it's looking more burgundy on camera, but it has a bit of rust to it. And these are all like beads and sequins and beautiful gemstone in the middle. And then another one which is slightly different. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And then there is this piece, all sequins and gemstones, absolutely beautiful, and pearls. And then one of these beautiful flower motifs. So that is my kit, you guys, and again, you get everything here. There's a lot here and a lot to work with, and I think that if you're into like vintage gypsy style, I think this would be the kit for you. So I hope that you like it. I think it'll be an awesome kit, and I'm looking forward to doing the tutorial with all these yummy goodies. So don't forget about that, because if you buy a kit and you're just not sure what to do, having the tutorial, you know, that may help you to get going in this type of direction. If you're wanting to try gypsy and you just haven't yet, this could be the kit for you to help you to go in that direction, because there will be a tutorial. And all of this gorgeousness, all the beaded trim, it's really like a great kit. So the kit is $25, and don't forget my handmade ruffles and the image. The kit is $25, book base, everything you see here is $25 plus shipping. So let me know if you're interested. My email will be below in the description box, and you can email me or you can leave a comment on the video and let me know that you want a kit. I have 4 available, and yeah, that's it. It's $25 plus shipping. So I hope you like it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.